for your deliverance, for your love for us, God. I'd like to read to you from Isaiah. Thank you, Lord, for the power in your word. Isaiah 53:5 says, He was wounded for my transgressions, for your transgressions. He was bruised for my iniquities. The chastisement for our peace was upon him, and by his stripes we are healed. When everyone else turns their back on me, when everyone else turns their back on you, God is there with his power and his love. He has proven himself as a deliverer. And he cared for me above all.
Above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man. You were there before the world began. Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, rejected and alone, lying arose, trampled on the ground. You took the fall and thought of me above all power, above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man. He was there before this world began. Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, above all wisdom the world has ever known, above all wealth and treasures in this whole world. Oh, there's no way to measure what you're crucified, laid behind the stone. Jesus, you lived to die, rejected and alone, trampled on the ground. You took the fall and thought of me above all. You were